everybody, welcome to another session of coding, the fourth session. And today I am gonna be teaching you how to change the background color, text size also, and lastly, my I got rid of one of these images for a logo, which I'm going to show you later. It is amazing. Stick around for the end. And so if we go to the style.css here, we have the code we did last time, the color changing for the background and text. Here we have the top bar and the logo here, 3 new codes. So if we go here to index2.html, we have the div id equal apostrophe top bar, and we have the same thing, but instead of top bar we have main section here, and the style css will change both of these, and we don't want that. So that's why we need to put hashtag in first before we put the top bar, otherwise it will change the main section too. So we don't want that at all. That will be next video. And type this code exactly as I did, like this. Pause the video. So we have main height 300 pixels. Px means pixels. And width, we got the width 100%. And background color white. And this will change the background, because if it's like 1%, everything is gonna be light bluish green, and only one line will be white, and we don't want that. So 100%. And this is only for the background, so we want the background to be white, we want it to be fully big, and we want it 300 pixels, so it's big. So we have here next the second code, we have a top bar, and this changes the size of the text. We got font size, display, margin top, and margin left. We got the last one, the third one. This will change the size of the logo. Here we have the images, and this one is art, and this one is logo, and I changed it for logo because I want it to be my logo. And I want to also remember this is the logo image. And here we have the margin top, margin left, max width, max height. We got 20% for each, 4 pixels and 2%. And when you finish writing it, save it. But before you save it, double check if it's okay, and then you save it. And then now let's go check the code. The big final moment. Dun dun dun. Nice. We have my logo and the text is bigger here, and my logo is floating over here. So next time we are gonna edit this second half over here. So now let's go back here to my notepad and experiment. Here we got 20%, right? Yeah, no more. We got 150. And when you see this, you will not see the logo anymore. It'll be too big. Just you wait. Then make sure to save it so it works. Then go back to your folder and click on index 2. Oh yeah. Wow, this is big. Anyway, let's go back to the notepad and change this back because it's too big. Okay. And save it. You can change the percentage however you like, to whatever size you like. experiment with it. Please check my notes under the video. It might be helpful. This is the end of today's session, and see you next time. Nathan Coding, Nathan out. Subscribe. Out, out.